Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we meet again in English Year 3 lesson, and we're still in Module 1, and the topic for today is hobby in a number. We are going to do some art activity. Okay, so are you ready? Let's start. Okay, so the main skill for today's lesson is language arts. Language arts. Okay, language arts are something to do with arts, seni, but in the same time we're still learning English. Okay, and this lesson is one of the examples of language arts. Okay, at the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to, number 1, draw a favorite number and a hobby. 2, talk about your favorite number and hobby. Okay, so materials for hobby in a number. Okay, so these are the materials that you need to prepare. Okay, to do this activity, these are the materials, bahan-bahan. Okay, number 1 is a piece of paper, sekeping kertas. It could be a blank paper, a white paper, A4 paper, or colored paper. It's up to you. Okay, number 2 is a pencil. Okay, and number 3, colored pencils, pens, or crayons. Okay, whatever that you have in your house, you can use. Okay, you can use colored pencils, you can use pens, crayons, or anything. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, first, how to make hobby in a number. Okay, first, draw your favorite number. Okay, for example, I like number 7. Okay, so I draw number 7. I'm not sure whether you can see from this camera, but it's stated on the screen. Okay, draw your favorite number. If your favorite number is 3, then you write down number 3. If 10, then you write down number 10. Okay, you draw the number. Okay, make sure you put some space inside so that you can draw your hobby inside. Okay, and then after you draw your favorite number, nombor kegemaran kamu, draw your hobby inside your favorite number. Okay, for example, okay, this is my hobby. I like to fly kites. I like flying a kite. Okay, this is me flying a kite. Okay, and then please color it nicely. Okay, okay, use your color pencil, make it colorful. Okay, I'm not really good at drawing. Okay, I know you can do better, so you can draw better and color it very nicely. Okay, once you're done with this, okay, record a video telling your favorite number and your hobby. Okay, you can help. Okay, so this is my drawing. I write down these sentences at the back of the paper. Okay, at the back of my drawing. Okay, this is my drawing, and I write the sentences at the back of this paper so that when you record your video, you can read. Okay, you can read. Ask your mother, your father, your brother, your sister to record your video, and you're reading this. Okay, for example, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, if you're doing this in afternoon, you can say Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Okay, my name is, okay, tell me your name. Okay, for example, my name is Teacher Awatif. My favorite number is 7. Okay, it's up to you according to your favorite number. And my hobby is flying a kite. Okay, it's up to you, your hobby. Draw your hobby and tell me your hobby. Thank you. So if you want to add in anything, nak tambah apa-apa lagi, you can tell me. Okay, no problem. And please send me your video to my WhatsApp number, to my number, okay, personally. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you all soon.